Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we'll do the last portion of the chapter number 5, topic the coastal plains and islands. Spotlight. In today's class we are going to cover Puducherry Union Territory and islands, and this video is part 6. Puducherry. Puducherry is divided into 4 districts of administrative purpose, namely Puducherry, Kalaikari, Mahi and Yanam, as you can see in the map where it is situated. First it comes Yanam, as you can see in the map, the image, and after that Puducherry. Then near after that, it is too near, it's Kalaikari and Mahi. Puducherry is multicultural city and an educational hub. Majority of people speak Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, France and English. So it is in the Puducherry the multiple people used to sit with the multi of culture, okay, and the people used to speak what? Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, France and English. Industry and beaches in Puducherry. So the industries here manufactures computers, electronic, rice bran oil, leather goods and many other products, as you can see in the map. So in the industries of Puducherry, they used to manufacture what? Computers, electronics and rice bran oil, okay, leather goods and many other products. There are the beautiful beaches in Puducherry, and the Aurobindo Ashram is the attraction for the tourists from all over the world. So there are the many beautiful beaches in Puducherry, but the Aurobindo Ashram, as you can see the image of Aurobindo Ashram, it is the most attractive for the tourists from all over the world. The tourists used to come for visit to this ashram. Now islands, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are group of 36 beautiful corals. Corals means it's kind of stone, okay, islands which lies in the Arabian Sea. So Lakshadweep is an island or a group of 36 beautiful corals islands which lies in the where it lies in Arabian Seas. Corals are the tiny skeletal substance scattered by the marine animals. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territories of India. So it is a small union territories of India. Kavaratti is the capital of city. So Kavaratti is the capital of this city. Only 10 of 36 islands are inhabited. Only 10 of 36. Out of 36, only 10 islands is inhabited. Okay. Economics of Lakshadweep Island. So what is the economics of Lakshadweep Island? Tourism. Tourism is the first, okay. Economics means how they earn with the help of tourism, okay. Tourism is the main economic activities in this region. With the help of tourism only they used to earn the money. So some of the popular islands are Aurobindo and Minicoy, as you can see in the image. Those islands are popular for the water sports. Those islands are why it's popular? Because of the water sport. As you can see in the image, mostly the places are with the waters only. The main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. What is the main occupation over here? It's agriculture and fishing. Obviously it will be agriculture and fishing only. Why? Because mostly the places are with cover of water. Coconut cultivation is the major economic activities here. So coconut used to be grown over here. So coconut cultivation is the major economic activities has been done over here. This region is also popular for coral items. Okay, so in this region, mostly the popular for the coral items. Coral means a fiber of the outer duct's coconut. Okay, as you can see in the image. With the help of that, what they used to do, they used to make a basket and all, mats. Okay, so there is out there the coconut has been grown many. Because of that outer shell of coconut, the fiber of outer ducts of coconut, with the help of that only, so this thing are been made. As you can see in the image, the coral that wander the fiber, have you seen in the image? Look at the image. With the help of that dusk of coconut only, they are making these things. The main language of these islands is Malayalam and Mal. Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Island are the two groups of islands which lies in the Bay of Bengal. As you can see in the image, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two groups of islands which lies in Bay of Bengal, as you can see in the map. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Polar Bilre. Okay, the Polar Bilre, is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Major languages spoken here are Bengali, Tamil, Hindi and Telugu. Those four languages used to spoken by these people of Andaman Nicobar Islands. Vegetation and crops. Rice are the main food crops of Andaman Islands. So rice is the main food crops of Andaman Islands. So mostly the people used to grow rice over there. Coconut, areca nut and cash crops of Nicobar Islands. So coconut and areca nuts are the cash crops of Nicobar Islands. Pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and fruit such as banana, papaya, pineapple and the root crops are grown here. So what the crops they used to grow? Pulses, oilseeds, vegetables. In the fruit they used to grow banana, papaya, pineapple and the root crops are grown here. Now spices like pepper, cinnamon and clove are grown in some area. So spices are pepper, cinnamon means it's like a bark of a tree, clove, okay, it can be used in the medicine also, as you know, are grown in the some areas. As you can see, there are the spices. So mostly the spices used to be grown over there. Okay, so those are the spices, mostly we can find it over there. Now tourism. The main industries, however, is fishery and tourism. So mostly the tourism, what we can find, the main industry, however the fishery and tourism we can find over in this place, because of the water spot, it's a very beautiful and peace place. So tourism used to be attract for what, for the place and for the fishery. Some places of tourist interest are Cellular Jail, Barrel Islands, Clove Beach and Coral Islands. So some of the tourism are very interest, they are attract for these places. What are the places? The Central Jails, Barrel Islands, Clove Beach and Coral Islands. As you can see in the image, those are the place for the tourism. Tourists used to be attract for this place. That's all for today's class. See you in the next video. And finally we have ended the chapter, and very soon I'll be providing the question answer. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and always follow the precaution which I used to say you. Thank you and take care.